there, April. Yes, next here with my mom, Aiko, and
Hi.
a fidgety mochi. All right, today we're going to focus on improving our balance.
Yeah.
So it's very important to strengthen muscles to prevent falls and improve our balance. Okay, so how does this sound, Mom?
It's important.
Right.
I need to practice on
All
balance.
right, we'll take a pause here and get started on the other side. Okay, so to do this workout, you can do it either in your bare feet, or if you need more support for your feet, feel free to put on some shoes. Now, having no shoes actually puts your feet in touch with the floor, can actually strengthen your feet as well. So if you can do it, more power to you.
Right.
All right, so and also be near a sturdy chair or countertop just in case you need it for stability. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just get started. Let's just warm it up just a bit, get the feet moving, okay? All right, before we do our balance workout. Very nice. Okay, give me some step forwards. Good. Just waking up the body before we do some work.
Feels different with no shoes.
Right, your feet are in touch with the floor.
Yeah.
It's actually very good, and it's gonna really challenge your balance, okay? All right, good, give me some reaches to the side, nice and gentle. Good. Okay, good work. All right, okay, very good. Give me shoulder rolls just to wake up the shoulders a bit. Good. Okay, and reverse it. Nice. Okay, nice work. Okay, so first move, we're just gonna do a pose, Mom. Okay, so what we wanna do is put our feet together, big toes together. Okay, just stand tall, all right?
Yep.
Okay, so everything tall, lift, 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 engage the tummy, and bring your palms together, just like in a prayer pose, and press your palms together, okay? We're gonna do 5 inhale, exhales from here. So you're gonna inhale through your nose,
Do I
exhale
close
through your
my
mouth.
eyes or what?
That's even more challenge if you can do it.
Oh.
Okay, so here we go. Just inhale and exhale. Purse your lips. This is actually very relaxing too. So inhale, stand tall, engage those legs, and exhale. Good. And keep standing tall. Inhale and exhale. And 2 more breaths. Inhale. And exhale. And 1 more. Inhale, press the palms together. And exhale. Very nice. Okay, that's just getting us started. So keep the feet where they are, everybody. Okay, now what we're gonna do, stand tall, shoulders back and down. All I want you to do is to move your right arm forward and then your left arm forward. Okay, how's that feel? Okay.
Well, I'm still standing.
You're
so
still
that's
standing. Good job.
I haven't fallen over yet.
Excellent work. Okay, well, I'm gonna start challenging you in a minute, okay? Give me 2 more sets. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Very good. Now I want you to put both arms up at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Up and down. Good. Reach it up. Reach it down. Good. Up and down. Ooh, good. You're doing well. Up
Oh, so far.
and down. And give me 1 more. Up and down. Now, challenge move is now we're gonna reach. Now, these moves mimic what we do every day, right? We're reaching for things, right? Okay, so we're gonna reach to the side. Whoa, and bring it in center. Reach it forward and center. Reach it left. Good. Now reach it up and right. Whoa. And down. Reach it up center. And down. You feel your feet engage?
Yeah.
Reach it to the left and down. Okay, 1 more set. Right, center, left, okay? So reach it up, center, reach forward and center, and reach to the left and center.
Oh.
Good job.
Yeah.
What'd you feel there?
Actually, my legs are keeping me balanced.
Keep your legs, right? And you probably maybe felt your core engage as well. Okay, so those are single leg, that was a single, narrow stance reaches, okay? Now we're moving on to single leg stance. So this is where you may need to hold on to a countertop or something sturdy. So all I want you to do is to stand tall and just lift that heel back, just like that. I'm not lifting my knee, I'm just lifting my leg back, and I want you to hold it for 10, 9, good, 8.
I'm holding on.
7, go, catching, 6, 5, good, stand tall, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work, nice work. Now, if you could only do it for a few seconds and hold on, that's okay. Your goal is to reach 10 seconds, okay?
Right.
So let's do that other leg. Okay, ready? Shift the weight, really feel it. I'm feeling this in my feet. 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ooh, good work. I felt a little shake in my feet.
You?
Yes, yeah.
Wow.
Your leg is, they're really trying to stabilize,
Yeah.
but you're really working and strengthening those muscles to help you balance.
Good.
Okay, very nice. Now, next move is going to be a 3-way leg lift. We're working our hips, okay? So you're going to hold on there.
Right.
Let me just show you what it looks like. So we're going to step it forward, just lift the toe, and to the side, and then step it back. So it looks like this. Forward, side, and back, all right?
Okay, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna do 10 on each side. So let's start with our right side here. Okay, so everyone stand tall, right? Shoulders, hips, in alignment, here we go. This is 1 set, bring it in. Good, and that's 1. Keep it going, forward, and side, and back, that's 2. Forward, side, and back. That's 3. You may start to feel this in your standing leg.
Yeah.
Side, back. That is 4. Keep it going. Forward, side. Don't forget to breathe. And back.
Yeah. Don't stop breathing.
Nice. Very good. Oh, that's 5. This is 6. Side and back. Very nice. Give me 4 more sets. Side and back. Very good. Stand tall. Side and back. Very nice. Give me 2 more sets.
It's hard on your standing
Oh,
leg.
yes. Side and back. And you're feeling this in your feet and your standing leg. 1 more. Forward, side, and back. And rest.
Yeah.
Yes. Move the feet a little bit. That standing leg got a major workout.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, so when you're walking, usually 1 foot is up, right? And so it's very good to do these single leg moves to prevent falls. Okay, everybody, now breathe. We have to do the other side. So are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you doing
I got
it,
my chair.
holding on that way?
I got
you
my
have
chair.
to, okay,
Yeah.
we have to do the other side. So I'm gonna give you a little more space here.
Okay.
So I'm doing forward, good. Side and back, bring it in, good. That's 1, and 2, and 3, that's number 2. Breathe, everybody. Forward, side, and back, very nice. And you can have a slight bend in that standing leg.
Okay.
Okay? And very nice. On this 5, 2, good. 3, and very good. 5 more. This is side. 4 more. Stand tall. Side and back. Very good. Stand tall. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Real nice. 2 more sets, everybody. Forward, side, and back. And give me 1 more set. Forward, side, and back. And rest. Okay, nice job. Okay. Yeah, breathe, everyone. If you need to take a sip of water, take a sip of water. Okay, but just get those legs moving. All right. Good. It's actually, I'm transitioning into our next move. You can choose to hold on, or you know what? You're gonna challenge yourself. Do it without holding on to anything. So here, we're just doing standing marches. So we're gonna just go up, 2, 3, and down, okay? Up, 2, 3, and down. Good, that's 1. And down, get those knees up. And down, very good, keep it going. And down, and up, and down. This is 3. Up, and down, good job. Up, down, very good. Up, and down, feeling it?
Yeah.
Up, and down, that's 4. Up, and down, good job. Up, and down. Can you give me 5 more sets?
Sure.
5, good. 5, yes. This is 6. Breathe, everybody. And 6. Good job. This is 7. And 7. You're weight shifting here. This is 8. Breathe, stand tall, and 8. Good job. 2 more sets. This is 9. And 9. 1 more set. You're doing it.
Hey.
10. And 10.
Hey.
How did that feel?
Tough.
Okay, you did it though.
Yeah.
Good work, everybody. All right, now, we never want to trip and fall, right? So, but if we're in a situation where it may happen, we need to be prepared. So we're just gonna step it forward and step it back, okay? Step it forward and step it back.
Okay.
These are strengthening muscles to just, if you're in that situation, you may be able to right yourself. And also this mimics walking, right?
Right.
Okay, and so these are like mini lunges is what we're doing. So listen to your body. Okay, you don't have to go deep. I just want you to step it forward and really kind of put that weight forward. Okay, just step it forward. Good. Yes, and you can use your arms here if you want.
Yeah, that's for
Okay.
balance.
That's right. You use your arms. Good. And I want you to give me 5 more from here. This is 5. Good. And 5. Really do it. Push that forward. Yes. And forward. I'm going to show you at the side. Breathe. Good. And excellent. Give me 3 more sets from here. 3. And 3. Yeah. Good. This is 2. And 2. Nice work. And 1. And 1.
Woo.
Excellent work. Okay. Breathe, everybody. Take a breath. Take 1 big breath. Okay. Now, we went forward. Now we got to go to side, right? Just think about it like sometimes when you're moving around, you're going to turn.
Yeah.
Got to be ready to turn, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just going to step it out, okay? So we're going to really step our feet to the side, okay? And you can actually point your toes to the side if you want, okay? These are just little side steps. We did forward, now we're going to do side, okay? And breathe. Good. Keep it going. Keep it going. I want 5 more sets from here. 5. And 5. Breathe. 6. And 6. Good job. Okay. 7. And 7. Good. Breathe. 8. 8. This is 9. And 9. Good work. And 10. And 10. Very nice. Very nice. Breathe. I'm going to throw in some step backs just so to kind of even things out, okay? Let's just do 5 each on each side. So we're stepping it back. It looks like this. Step it back and step it back. Okay? Good. Step it back. Good. Step it back. That's 2. Back and back. 2 more sets. Yeah. Back and back. Strengthen those legs. Yeah. And back. And back and rest. Nice work. Okay, final exercise of the day are heel raises. Now your calves are very important to actually move your ankles.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
And if you're in a situation where you're going to trip, your calves are going to move your ankles to right you. So it's very important to have strong calves for good balance. Right. Okay, so we're going to do heel raises. Okay, so all we're going to do, stand tall. We're going to lift our heels up and bring them down. Lift them up and down. Good. This is 3 and down. Now, if you're not wearing any shoes, you kind of really feel this.
Yeah. Well,
all right. Now, and where you want to do is put your weight between your big toe and your second toe. And think about that on the balls of your feet, right?
Yeah.
That may give you more stability here. Okay. Kind of focus on that. Breathe. Woo, really working these calves.
Yeah.
I want you to give me 4 more from here, everyone. This is 4. Breathe. And 3. Oh, yes. And down. This is 2. And 1. And rest. Wow. Okay, nice work. Okay, I really want you to do a calf stretch on this one, Mom. So you can do the wall, Mom, if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 foot forward. Other leg back straight, calf down. those calf raises can really, really, you know, make you feel it there. Okay. All right, let's switch it. Good work.
Yeah.
Really nice work. Okay, nice job. Okay, all right, well, excellent work on these balance exercises. Now,
Good job.
aim for 1 to 3 sets in a session, right? Now, you can do these exercises every day.
Every day is good.
Right, but if you can't, you know, do them at least twice a week and build up over time.
Yeah.
And, you know, we wish you good balance.
Right.
All right, so nice work. We look forward to seeing you in a future workout. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and even share it with your friends. We love to help everyone get stronger. All right, so we look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving and working on your balance.
See you soon.